Need to post photos on TikTok? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily add photos on TikTok. First thing first, you need to head over to your application TikTok. Make sure that you are logged in into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, here you need to move into this plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Once you're inside the camera section, you need to swipe left and click on photo. Once you've selected photo, click on this gallery icon. Inside the gallery, now select any of the photos that you want to upload on TikTok. You can select as much as you want to. Once you've selected, you need to click on next at the bottom right corner of the screen. There you can see that the photo has been uploaded here. Now you can also add the music to this post. Click on add sound at the top of the screen. Here you can select any of the music that you want to. Once you've selected, you can go back. There you go, the music has also been added. Now click on next at the bottom right corner of the screen. Add the caption, change the settings, and in order for you to post, tap on post. And then your photo will be uploaded on TikTok. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.